Hi everyone, in this video we will take a look at how to insert background image in the worksheet. A background image is an image which basically lies behind the text. In one of our earlier videos we had seen how to insert an image in a cell of a worksheet, but here we'll see how to insert background image. So we first start by going to insert and try to find where shapes. Okay, we go to shapes and then I select a rectangle. Next I select the size of the area where I want the background image. Once that is done, I'll right click it and I'll say format. Okay, here under fill you see there's an option to insert picture, so I'll select that picture. By default it shows some other fill in, but we can go to the insert option and from there we can select the picture source. So I'll say insert. Now again you have the option of selecting a stock image or you select from a file. So from a file, if you choose the from file, you select the file which is stored on the computer. In this case I'll just select a stock image. So here I go and I choose this image and I double select. So here you see you have the picture, but now you need to send it to the background. So for that we come to the transparency and then change the transparency. Here you see, if I make it 100% then it becomes invisible, so we keep it to some lower number, say about 70-75%. Okay, now you can see the image in the background. So that's how you add a background image in a worksheet. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.